Take the servo and its wire, and you want to take the white end, the white connector of this wire, and plug it into the receptacle on the side of the servo. What you want to make sure is that you plug in the wire into the receptacle on the side that has the sticker. So you notice one side is blank and one side has a sticker. You want to plug it into the side that has the sticker. Next, take the servo discs. You'll notice one of them has an inner serrated edge and one of them is smooth. Take the one with the serrated edge and one of the black screws. You'll notice 4 holes on the outer rim. From the side that has this step or this lip of the serrated edges, take the screw and screw it into any one of these 4 holes. Screw it in all the way till the head of the screw is flush with the surface. Repeat the same thing with the other disc. Again, make sure that the screw is going in from the side that has this lip or this raised surface. Take the servo and the disc with the serrated edges. This end plugs in to the brass horn of the servo. Now while plugging this in, you want to make sure of a few things. First, you want this screw to be facing away from the wire. So you don't want to be in the same direction as the wire, you want to be facing away. Next, when plugging it in, the screw should not be facing upwards, it should not be facing down. It should be parallel to the base of the servo. So once you think it's about parallel, this may take some wiggling. As parallel, just push it in. Push it in till you hear a slight click, and that's when you know it's in all the way. The other end, repeat the same process. This, however, is smooth, so it'll be a loose connection. Take this 3D printed part, and the purpose of this bracket is to connect the 2 ends of the servo together, so that when the actuated end moves, the other one rotates in unison. You'll see it has these 2 gaps right here. You want to slide this gap. Let me see if I can get a better view of this. You want to slide this gap through the screw on both sides. So it's gone in from this side. You wanted to make sure that it goes in from the other end as well. And then rotate it till these holes line up. The holes on the bracket, the 3D printed part, should line up with the holes on the silver disc. Next, use these screws, the M3x5, the small screws, and simply screw it down. There's 6 holes that need to be screwed in. The final screw goes in right here in the center. Next, take one of the washers and slide it over this black screw. Take a hex nut and then screw it down on top of the washer. Now repeat the same thing for the black screw on the other side. Slide a washer down first, followed by a hex nut screwed down all the way. Now repeat the same thing for the other two servos.